Greetings to you, my dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss the Mergesort algorithm. How Mergesort technique is applied on an array to sort. And this video is presented based on the information from the book Introduction to the Design and Analysis of Algorithms by the author Anani Levitin. What is a Mergesort? It is a sorting technique based on the divide and conquer techniques. Divide and conquer technique, we have already know this technique in which if the problem is very big one, then that problem will be divided into many sub-problems of equal size, solve them and combine them to get the overall solution. So this Mergesort is a perfect example of a successful application of the divide and conquer technique. And this sort first divides the array into equal halves and combines them in a sorted manner. For example, if the array is having n number of elements, the index starts from 0 to n minus 1. So this array contains n elements. This will be divided into two halves. The first half from 0 to n by 2 minus 1 index. The next half from n by 2 to n minus 1 index. For example, if you have 8 number of elements in the array, then n by 2, 8 by 2 will give 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So first 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So these elements will be in the first half, 4, 5th, 6th and 7th. These 4 elements will be in the second half. So again, this will be divided into 2, 0 and 1, here 2, 3. So if you have an array, this array will be divided into 2 halves. And again, this is going to be divided into 2, 2, 2, etc. Mergesort algorithm. It accepts the array as an argument, a0 to n minus 1. Then output of this Mergesort algorithm will be an array of ascending order, that is non-decreasing order. If this A has more than one element, then you need this Mergesort algorithm to solve. If the array contains only one element, there is no need, no need of sorting. So if it is greater than, you have to copy the first half the element into the array B. Suppose if you have 8 number of elements, so first 4 elements will be copied into B array and next 4 elements will be copied into C array. That is from index 0 to 3 and here it is 4 to 7. So you need 3 array A, B and C. A is the given array, B first half, C second half. Then again, you have to sort this array B and this array C. So again, you are calling back this Mergesort algorithm for this B. So here, Mergesort call again the same method with B, array B from 0 to n minus 2 minus n by 2 minus 1. Then Mergesort C, for this array you apply the Mergesort from 0 to n minus n divided by 2 minus 1. Anyway, B and C, the index will be from 0 to 3 and here also 0 to 3. After, see this statement, this particular statement calls this same algorithm because it is a recursive procedure. Recursion is there when a function calls itself or when a function is called by itself, then it is said to be a recursive procedure or recursive method. So after these B and C sorting is over, then you have to merge this B and C into A. B array is sorted, C array is insorted. Combine these to get A absorbed. So how the combination or combining two sorted arrays, the merging of two sorted arrays can be done as follows. Like there will be two arrays, no, B and C. So each and every element of this B will be compared with each and every element of this C to form A. To form A. So 2 pointers are initialized to point to the first element. Initially 2 pointers, 2 index variables will be used. One is to point the first element of this B and another one is to point the first element of this C. Then comparing which one is less than, so that will be put in this A and it keeps on going like this. So this operation is repeated until one of the two given arrays is exhausted. So suppose if this B contains 3 elements and if the C contains 4 elements, all 3 will be compared with the remaining, first 3 of the C. Then the remaining 1 will be added to this A at last. Okay. So this merge algorithm combines B and C into this A array. So B array, the size of this B array is P and size of the C array is Q. So combine together and we will have this A of size of P plus Q. The index is from 0 to, of course, P plus Q minus 1. So initially 3 index variables I, J, K. I is for B and J is for C and K is to A. So while I less than P, so we are comparing all the elements of B, okay, and J less than Q, all the elements of Q. If B of I is less than C of J, then put this B of I into A. Else, put this C of J into A. For example, here in B you have 1, 2. Here in C array you have 4, 5. So this 1 and 4 will be compared. So 1 is less than 4. So A of 0 will have 1. Will have 1. Then A of 1 will have 2. And similarly, K will be incremented and it goes on like this. A of 2 will have 4. A of 3 will have 5. Right? So 5 will be assigned to this A of 3. So if I is equal to P, if all the elements of this B is compared, remaining C elements should be copied into A. So here, if you have 3 elements in B and in C you have 4 elements, okay, 4 elements, 3 elements, all 3 are compared with this 4 and the last element of the C will be copied into A. Else, if this B contains 4 and if this contains 3 elements, the remaining element 3, the last element of this B will be copied into this A. And here is the example how this merge sort performs the process. So here assume A 3, 2, 9, 7, 1, 5, 4. Initially a single array. So now it splits into 2 arrays. So first half 3, 2, 9. So here 7, 1, 5, 4. Okay. So split into 2. And again this will be split into 8, 3, 2, 9. So here 7, 1, 5, 4. And here 8, okay, 3, 2, 9. Here 7, 1. So now we have single elements in the array, single elements. Okay. So now 8 and 3 will be compared. So here 3 and put this 8 here. And here 2, 9, 2, 9. So 1, 7, 1, 7. And here it divides 4, 5. Then this 3, 8. This array contains 2 and this contains 2. So these 2 will be compared with these 2 and we'll be having 2 here, 3 here, 8, 9. So here also you have 1, 3, 4, 7. And now you have 4 elements in these 2 arrays. So combine together and sorting. So 2, 1. So 1 is here. And the next smallest element is 2. Next smallest 3. Next 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Oh, how come here this is 5? Okay, sorry. This is 5. Okay, 5. Here 5 only, no? 5. So here 5, 5, 7, 8, 9. So now you have merged these 2 arrays into single array. So divide and conquer. Divide and conquer. If it is having 8, dividing into 4, 2, 1, combining 2, combining into 4, and combining into 8. This is how the merge sort performs its process. So now the algorithm is converted into C++ program. So now I'm going to execute this program, Alt R and see the same example I have taken, 8, 3, 2, 9, 7, 1, 5, 4. So 3, 8 and 3, 8, 2, 9. And these for these 2 will be combined together to form 2, 3, 8, 9, 1, 7, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 7. Then finally you will get the sorted array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Even you can print all the small arrays individually. So by going through these things, you can understand how the merge sort algorithm performs its process to sort the given array by using the divide and conquer technique. So thank you students. Hope you would have understood how this algorithm works. All the best.